Well, we're gonna start off our little tour today where we left off, the Governor's Palace. I was trying out a new camera setup and new microphone, see how that works. As you can see, there's a few days ago we got about 5 inches of snow. And in the shady areas you can see that it's still hanging around, but where the sun reaches regularly it's gone, and the next few days is supposed to be up close to in the 50s and close to 60, so this will be gone. But today there's a slight breeze and it's about 42 degrees. So a little on the chilly side. The green area over here where they do demonstrations for cannons, they do some drills and marching at certain times. And you can see over there, there's, because this is a living history museum, there's a lot of people that are dressed in the period outfits and do the tours and speak. So there's quite a few things to do, keep you occupied and see. They're doing some restoration and some archaeological work there on the battery. A musket demonstration over there. They're going to shoot those off at some point.
Aim down the barrel at my target. If anyone does not like loud noises, I'd recommend covering your ears now, because the last order I'll receive is fire! In a fraction of a second, flint strikes steel. Any rain of sparks can.
So they'll do demos with the cannons. And they do have lots of shops here, Coopers and dress shops and things like that people are doing, building things. They actually build, the blacksmiths does a lot of building for repairing period correct pieces for the buildings here. So they're in demoing it, they're actually maintaining the facility as well. So, like I say, I don't know how this video is going to come out, how the sound's going to come out. I guess we'll see when we get back. A lot of the houses have a history on them.
Does that make sense? Yeah. I don't know if that's the case.
So I'd say if you're thinking of coming, and you've never been here, this area of Virginia, July and August are going to be quite hot and very humid. So if you're here in those times and you want to walk around this area, this Colonial Williamsburg area, you're going to want to be here fairly early in the morning, because by noon, 1 o'clock, you're going to want to be inside somewhere where there's air conditioning. The shoulder months are, starting in April, May, beautiful June. June will start to get warm, and then again towards the end of September, October, even early November can be quite nice here. And then, as you can see, that's the thing with Virginia, is from year to year, January and February can be quite variable. As we've been here for about 10 years now, and this is the most snow days that we've had since we've been here. Not the biggest snowfalls, but the most. And it's been quite cold for quite a while too, so kind of an unusual winter from what I'm used to. We would usually get some cold weather, a week or two of pretty cold weather, and then you get the days of 20s at night and 40s, 50s during the day, but we've had quite a few weeks of just cold and raw. There are also restaurants in here too. I don't believe they're open at this time of year, but some good, they serve some period foods. So as you can see, this is a nice place for a walk, and my wife and I, like I say, like to come down here on some days and just wander around, walk around, see the people, see the, I guess I don't really get tired of the old buildings and watching the horse carts and oxen carts go around and the people. And this is just kind of the main street. There's streets on either side of this, and behind this building here, there's a whole other section. It's not as busy, it's not as visited, but it is still part of the Williamsburg Foundation. To the right of us is a street that goes through, you can drive on, goes through the Colonial Williamsburg. On the left is a street that does not have traffic. And again, there's a bunch of restored buildings down there as well. That whole section down there. And then there's the visitor center that has a lot more information, has parking. They have shuttle buses that will get you around to all the different places. 2 o'clock. As I say, if anybody has any questions, you can certainly send me a message. I am no expert on Williamsburg, but having lived here, there's a few places you can go and get to. There's parking, little hints here and there as a local. That's the Capitol building. And again, all of this over here is still part of the Colonial Williamsburg. And there's a restaurant there as well. They have animals, sheep, I believe some goats, horses, oxen. They're all part of the museum. That's the secretary's office. It's an interesting story about that building too. Well, like I say, this is an experiment. We'll continue walking around Colonial Williamsburg. I think we're going to stop the video now. So, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, certainly let me know. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.